Let's take a closer look at Universal's Hard Rock Hotel. This is a signature hotel with a lot of perks, so this can help you decide if it's the right hotel for your next visit to Universal. Upon walking in, you are going to definitely feel that the theming is tied to all things rock and roll. You are meant to walk in and feel as though you are visiting a rock star's mansion, and from the woodwork, the music playing at a higher volume, and all of this incredible artwork and memorabilia, you definitely get that feeling. Now, if you're looking for a quieter hotel that's going to feel like a bit of a break from the busy park days that you have, this is not going to be the best option for you. Not only is it louder in the common areas like the lobby, the restaurants, the lounges, but you're also going to have music playing under the water, in the pools, and in the hallways where your rooms are upstairs. So keep that in mind. This does have a beautiful pool complex with multiple hot tubs and pools, including water slides and different games that you can play poolside while you are visiting this hotel. So if you are staying here, you may want to plan in a little extra time to enjoy these amenities and all of the great dining options at this location. Let's start with your pool bar. This is the Beach Club. This is a lovely outdoor lounge area where you can get snacks and drinks. You also have the Velvet Bar, which definitely gives you rock star energy inside near the lobby. You'll find the Palm Restaurant, which is a true sit-down restaurant experience for the whole family. And finally, the kitchen, a little more of a casual fare that you can find near the pool in the back of the hotel. Now, if you are wanting to take that rockstar status a level higher, consider getting a club level room. Any of the room categories will have a select number of rooms where you can enjoy club level amenities, which include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, and also some cocktails at certain times of the day. This club level lounge area that you can see here is open to those club level room guests only. This is during a traditional snack time. You can load some of these things up into your park bag and take them into the parks with you, or enjoy some additional quality time at your resort, making the most of this club level access. Now let's take a look at a standard room. This is going to be a standard 2-queen room that sleeps up to 4 guests. There are plenty of these available across all different floors, and as you can tell, it definitely has a cozy rock and roll energy with some of the velvet details, different textures, and bolder colors that match the overall theming of this property. In this one in particular, there is a view of the pool, and you can tell this is a really beautiful view when you're spending time over at Universal. Each standard room is also going to come with a single sink and vanity area with some additional storage space and a full tub shower combination. Beautiful tile work in here, and also the soaps and extra amenities. Let's take a peek at a future Rockstar suite. This is billed to be a room for families. It has double sinks in the vanity, a full shower, as you can tell with that beautiful, beautiful artwork in here, and an additional separate area for a toilet and tub with sink. So this is a great option for getting more than a couple people ready in the morning. And as you can see, there's a separate door entry here from the bathroom into what is a great room for kids. This is that future rock star vibe. So you can see there's big artwork. There's a lot of Taylor Swift and Christina Aguilera and different artists. And then on the separate side of the suite, you will find a single bed, a little more toned down for the adults in the group. So these suites are definitely tailored to families, especially families with younger children. You do have a fold down sofa option and seating area with the television too. So again, lots of more room to spread out if you are a larger family or if you have some older kiddos who would enjoy having their own separate space. So let's decide whether or not this is the right hotel for you. If you are traveling with adults or older kids, thinking teenagers or older, then this is a great choice. The theming is beautiful. It is an amazing hotel with a lot of amenities. I would also say if you are staying here, plan to spend a little time here. Don't pack your entire trip full of park time. Make sure that you do take advantage of this signature hotel here. Now, if you are going to spend a lot of time in the parks, you will get free unlimited express passes for everyone in your party for each day of your stay as a part of your hotel stays. That is a great feature for both Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. It does not include express passes for Epic Universe, so you will have to purchase those separately. So if you are a family with older kids or couples or a group of friends looking to go to Universal, this may be the perfect hotel for you.